Welcome user. In the last chapter, we have seen regression problems of supervised machine learning algorithms. From this video, we are going to see classification problems of supervised machine learning algorithms. We have already discussed the information and types of classification supervised algorithm. In this chapter, we are going to see information about k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, support vector machine, decision tree, and ensemble modeling. In this video, we are going to cover theoretical part of k-nearest neighbor algorithm. KNN is a simple algorithm that stores all available cases and classify new cases by majority of votes based on the k neighbors. Let us understand graphical and mathematical way of classifying data by using KNN algorithm. So let us start. Over here you can see the set of data points which are already mapped into two-dimensional space. The data points are already classified into two categories and shown by two different colors. Green color is belonging to category 1 and blue color is belonging to category 2. Suppose we add new data points to the existing information. Now the goal is to determine the category of these new data points based on the available information. With the help of k-nearest neighbor algorithm, we can able to know the category of new dataset. In order to get category by using KNN algorithm, we have to follow certain steps. The very first step is to choose the number of k neighbors. There is no thumb rule for choosing k value, but usually k would be odd number and it would be near to square root of total observations. After getting square root value, check different k values which are closer to calculated k value. Generally, we have to check accuracy for different k values and select the k value which would give more accuracy. In the second step, we would compute k neighbors of the new data points, and after that we will calculate Euclidean distance between new data points and already existing points. In the step 3, we will count k numbers of data points which shows minimum Euclidean distance. And in the last step, we will assign category to new data points based on the most neighbors. So let us apply the discussed steps to the problem which we have discussed at the beginning. Right here you can see the problem, and at the end of the solution we are able to classify the category of new dataset. Let us apply the steps. Assume dataset have 25 total number of observation. So according to first step, I will choose square root of 25, that means 5 as in k value. In the next step, I will calculate Euclidean distance between new data point and other data points. After that, I will select k nearest neighbors based on minimum Euclidean distance. Right here you can see nearest neighbors based on calculated Euclidean distance. Now we can say 2 neighbors are belonging to category 1 and 3 neighbors are belonging to category 2. So I will assign category 2 to this new data point. This was the graphical approach. Let us do the same implementation with the help of mathematical approach. Consider one dataset which shows drink type of particular drink based on the sweetness and coolness. If we check clustering representation, then we can say there are 3 drink types. Suppose we got new drink, Maza. Now our goal is to find out category of new drink, Maza. Assume sweetness of Maza is 6 and coolness of Maza is 4. Now apply KNN steps to get category of new drink. We have total 6 observations, so I will calculate square root of 6 which lies between 2 to 3. So I will consider 2 and 3 as an k value, but we ignore k is equal to 2 as it is not an odd number. In the next step, I will calculate Euclidean distance between each data point and new data points. Right here you can see table which shows Euclidean distance between data points and new data points. For k is equal to 3, I have chosen 3 neighbors. And I found out of 3 neighbors, 2 are belonging to category held drink and 1 is belonging to category hard drink. Now we have to choose category which shows majority of neighbors. And that category we will assign to new drink Maza. In this case, new drink belongs to category held drink for 3 nearest neighbors. This is all about KNN algorithm. This will end our video. In the next video, we will see MATLAB implementation of KNN algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.